Hey guys, welcome in a brand new video from Unreal Trading. In today's video I will show you how to open scalp positions using a buy and sell indicator and how to filter out false signals. Personally I will use the 5-minute time frame, but you can also use this on the 1-minute time frame or higher time frames. So the first indicator we will have to add is our buy and sell signal. So we will search for range, filter, buy and sell 5 minutes. Add the indicator by 2 Van. So at this one you can now close the indicator tab. So you can see this indicator is printing buy and sell signals. Let's do some trades using the signals only and let's see what happens. So the results are not very great. You can see if we use this indicator alone, we will make profits when the big moves are there, but we will make a loss when the market is neutral. But we can actually filter out these false signals. For this we will have to add another confirmation. So as an extra confirmation we will add another indicator, call it the hull suite. Add the first indicator by in silico. We will also change some settings in the first indicator to match the whole suite. So go to the settings icon and then go to the inputs tab. We will change the sampling period to 120 and the range multiplier to 2. And we will save the indicator. So now we have added the whole suite as an extra confirmation. When a buy signal appears from the range filter, we want the whole suite to be green and the candle must close above the whole suite. Next, you will also use a fixed risk to reward ratio instead of just closing the position when a sell signal appears. So you will open a long position at the close of this candle, place your stop loss on the last swing low, and target a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. For a sell signal, we want the whole suite to be red, and the candle must close under the whole suite. You will place your stop loss on the last swing high and target a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Let's make some other trades and check the results. You can see the results are already much better, but we can still see in neutral markets there are still some false signals. So we will add one more indicator called the moving average exponential, or EMA. So we will click on the first indicator made by TradingView and we will change the settings. We will make the length 100 and make a white line. Then save the indicator. So with this line we will only open short position when the market is moving under the moving average, and only open long positions when the market is moving above. Alright, so with its extra confirmation, we want the range filter to print a buy signal. Next, we want the whole suite to be green and the candle must close above it. In the moving average, we want to see the same. For a long position, we want the candle to close above it, like here. So over here we can open a long position. Place your stop loss on the last swing low and target a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. I would like to introduce the Bitget. Bitget is one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges out there with spot and futures trading. But you also have copy trading on Bitget. With copy trading you can copy professional crypto traders approved by Bitget. This is fully automated and you don't have to open any manual trade anymore. If you register using the link in the description you will receive bonuses and a lifetime discount on all fees you pay. So over here we can see another example of a long position. So the range filter prints a buy signal, the whole suite is green and the candle is closing above it. It's also closing above the moving average. So we can open a long position with our stop loss on the last swing low and target a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. You can see this trade close in only 15 minutes. For a sell signal we want to see the opposite, so we want to see the range filter printing a sell signal. We want the whole suite to be red and the candle must be under it. but the candle must also be under the moving average. So over here we can open a short position with a stop loss on the last swing high and the target a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. I will show you one more example of a short position. So over here we can see a sell signal, the whole street is red and closing under it. Also under the moving average. So we can open a short position at the close of this candle, place a stop loss on the last swing high and target again a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like. If you have any questions, comment them below. I will try to answer all comments. See you next time.